Good day. Willem, the recent talking point in the marketplace was the escalating events in the Middle East with Iran and Israel, the conflict there. And we had the United States getting involved there by bombing the nuclear sites. It was surprising that markets didn't react violently to that happening. What would have happened if there was further escalation by other people like Russia getting involved as well?
Yeah, Jan, as you said, markets reacted surprisingly muted. I think they priced in the initial start of the war immediately and then sort of adopted a wait and see attitude to see if it would escalate further, even with the US getting involved. The other thing is also usually those conflicts in the Middle East, the flare-ups are usually short-lived. Again, the market waited to see if it's going to last longer and where it's going. Iran also was quite calculated in their response. They didn't go and block the shipping routes. If that happened, I think markets would have reacted more because that would have put pressure on oil prices, putting pressure on inflation expectations and then interest rate expectations.
Willem, yes, given the ceasefire that's in place, the market seems to have calmed down. It's quite positive at this stage. What is the big drivers in the marketplace now?
Well, at the moment, it's still relatively benign inflation in the US. No signs at the moment that tariffs having any sort of effect. And the market's still awaiting interest rates cut later this year. But yeah, that can change when we reach the July 9th deadline for Trump's pause on tariffs. I think you'll see a bit more volatility leading up to that. And yeah, we'll have to wait and see which of those tariffs stick and if he's going to carry on and impose them.
With all the volatility that we've seen and all the uncertainty surrounding the markets, what is typically the important aspects for investors to focus on, and what should they not be doing in uncertain times like these?
Yeah, well, I think the markets have been extremely uncertain over the past 6 months, but yeah, I think that the basics is stick to your plan, have a long-term view, don't panic, and don't make any emotional decisions.